So we're at Prospect Park. We can't quite go sledding yet because somebody's too young. But next year we're all gonna go sledding. Yes, because it's full of fun. It's perfect snow too. Look. Whoa! Kapot! There are people sledding on laundry pails. Right there are people sledding on garbage bags when they don't have a sled. Yes, Tahra thinks it's all really funny. People sledding on tubs. Little kids sledding on little sleds. Woo! And the whole park is full of people sledding. And snowmen. And whoa! And it's all a whole lot of fun. And next year we're gonna be sledding too.
Yeah.
A lot of people. And that is